Welcome, today I am with Motorola Edge 20 Pro and we are going to check if this device comes with protective silicone case in the box. Yes, as you can see, we can find here this case. It's flexible, we can put it on the phone. It's easy to put it on. This right button is uncovered. It's fingerprint sensor right here, by the way. We got cutout for USB-C port, speakers. Here we can find microphone, and this place is also cut out. Let me just catch focus for it. Okay, there it is. We got this bumper for our camera set. It goes a little bit above, and the same when you take a look on the front screen. So this case will protect your phone, and when you put it on the display or camera set on the flat surface, you will be not able to scratch it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.